Nature's Garden Goodie Goodie Gumdrops Fragrance Oil. This fragrance is the aroma of holiday spiced gumdrops with a twist. Top notes include cinnamon and clove, with middle notes of eucalyptus and rose, and well-rounded with base notes of cassis, nutmeg, and woods. A Nature's Garden original scent. Our customers create whimsical products with this fragrance oil, including incredible decorative candles, awesome homemade soaps, unbelievable bath and body products, and extraordinary room scents. Check out our free recipes and classes at naturesgardencandles.com. Nature's Garden, your fragrance oil leader.